All right, happy Thanksgiving, everybody. My brother and his wonderful wife invited me over to dinner today, so I thought I'd come out and try to get something done out here before it was time to throw down. I'm having a curing problem. It's 40 degrees, and this is not gonna. I haven't even tried this. I brought it out. I was gonna plug it in, but it's not gonna cut it. I need to get my propane heater out here. Problem with the propane heater is last year when I was using it, it melted my supports for the top. So in order for me to use the propane, and it gets so hot so fast. I wish I could somehow have it lower. My gel coat is it's not wet, but it's just not dry. Like for instance, if you stand on it with your sock, you'll kind of get that little feeling when you pick your foot up. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but it's just not totally. It's dry, but it's not totally cured. And it's been how many days? Tuesday, Wednesday. It's been about 3 days. But the cold here has just been relentless. And the boat is here in the driveway in a position where it doesn't get much sun. So what I'm gonna do is build another one of those supports. Rick gave me an excellent idea too, to put, not for me. Am I in the way? Oh, I'm good. Thank you though. I gotta build one of these to put here in place of that one. Maybe not that one. Oh yeah, maybe to get it up so I have room to work. Because I can't get no heat in here otherwise, or no real heat. So let me get going on trying to whip something up similar to this one, and then I can get the propane out here. Hopefully I got enough gas in there to get things toasty nice, get my substrates all heated up. Because I want to do two things. One, finish getting the Gelcoat, the first layer of Gelcoat down too, and then three, make sure that this stuff is gonna cure up totally. That's kind of because after 3 days, even though it's cold, yeah, I don't know. I'm getting kind of worried. So let me whip those pieces up, and we'll see what happens. All right, turn of events here. I was getting ready to cut this piece, and Scott came outside, and we started chopping it up and talking and stuff, and he was like, man, instead of making these extra wooden support pieces, he was saying, put the fan in here. The fan will circulate the warm air, and it won't get trapped in the top and melt your support. So, and I was like, man, it's pure genius. So, I'm going to give it a shot. I don't know if it's going to work, but I'm going to definitely try it. It sounds like a good idea. So what I'm going to do right now, ooh-wee, 37 degrees, man. So, I'm going to go ahead and hook up the heat. I'm going to go get the propane heater, put it in, fire it up, turn the fan on, and see if I can warm this boat up without melting my supports. And then I'm gonna go up front and scratch a little piece. Cause remember that first day I gel coated, I scratched, and it was kind of a peely scratch. Well, the longer it sits, the more it should be a dry scratch, a dusty scratch, not a peely scratch. So I'm gonna get that set up and I'll be right back. And hopefully, if things work out with the fan and the propane heater, I won't be needing this extra arch support piece. Alright, so this setup is patent pending, so if anybody out there on the iPhone 4 is trying to steal this idea, man, the patent is pending. It's a Scott original. So anyway, it hasn't even been going 5 minutes maybe, and look at that. And I got the back corner is not even out because I'm sticking my head through here, so the back corner is not even totally closed, and I'm up to 61 now. 61 is an acceptable for me. I'm thinking 61 is an acceptable temperature to roll out Gelcoat. I mean, it's on the low end definitely, but it's better than 40 or 38 or whatever it was when I got here. My support is hanging tough. Let me see what I got up there. Ooh, I got 100 degrees up there. I got the fan. Oh no, what's that? 90, 95, 97. I got about 97 now, about 100 degrees, and it's not melting my little arc here. Okay, with the keyhole open, I'm sitting at around 70. Let me let it go a few more minutes before I start laying up. I want to give it I want to let it run at least for a while, because even though the surface of the substrate is at 70, I know not far below it is still damn 40 degrees outside, so. Yeah. Alright, so Deep Blue was asking me about what I was going to do for non-slip surface. And let me just zoom out a little bit. So what I did is I whipped up a couple months ago. Actually, I whipped up an experiment piece out of scrap wood, and I just keep on checking on this to make sure I'm not too hot in there. I don't want my arc pieces to melt, but I'm good. So anyway, so I made this test piece, and what I did is there was no sand with gel coat, or no sand or gel coat right on this spot. There was like I think it might have been a 10-to-1 ratio or something like that here, a 5-to-1 ratio here of sand versus gel coat, and a 2-to-1 ratio here. So meaning, I think I put 2 parts. Was it 2 parts sand? Hold on a minute. Let me think about it. Okay, man, how embarrassing. So what it was 2 parts gel coat to 1 part sand. Looks like that. This is pretty rough. You'd be done. You give yourself a for real pedicure walking on this. Take the bottom of your foot off. This one was a 5-part gel coat to 1 part sand. It's gotten a lot better. If I could get down there. This might even, I say this would be the roughest. I would go 5-to-1. And then this one was like 8, was it either 8 or 9 or 10-to-1, something like that. It was like double this one. Might even been 10-to-1. And then this one was nothing. So that kind of gives you an idea. And I'll retest it again. I don't know how well you can see the 10-to-1, but the 10-to-1 does give you a little bit of grip. 5-to-1 is pretty rough. But I mean, that's maximum non-slippage right there. But I'll probably split it. I'll probably end up going, I'll do a confirmation test piece again. But I think I'll probably go like 8-to-1 ratio. 8 parts gel coat to 1 part sand. Okay, but I'll test it again to let you know. All right. And one more thing, I'm hoping that this heat will accelerate my drying time. That was another thing. So as soon as this tank goes out, I'm going straight to, I don't think they're open today, it's a holiday. But as soon as this tank goes dry, I'm re-upping on the tank, and so I can keep the heat going and reduce this drying time. It's ridiculous. All right, so I was in the garage mixing up a batch, and look at that, man! Isn't that wonderful? Man, the simple pleasures, man. Man, a Thanksgiving treat, 81 degrees, albeit man-made. Hey, I'll take it. Alright, so I got the two front compartments rolled out. I got the back side, this side rolled out. So I got mission accomplished. I got, you know, kind of touched up those corners. I got the first layer down, and I think what I'm gonna do is give this plenty of time to dry. I'm probably gonna swap out that container and just come and just let it run and let it get nice and warm. I'll probably do that this weekend. I'll do that. I'll use up the rest of this can, get a new can, and just let it get nice and warm in here. I accidentally turned it up too high. See, this is what I was talking about, how it melts your brace piece, but I just had it up too high on accident. Luckily I noticed and came back over and kind of saved it. I put a new piece in here, though. But yeah. Anyway, I'm done for the day. I was thinking about splitting the lower from the upper, but you know, it's Thanksgiving and I'm gonna go spend some time with the fam. So I'll see you guys this coming week, Saturday. All right.